Are you having trouble finding music to add to your Instagram stories? Let's get your stories grooving again. Many people run into issues with the music search function. We'll go over the major fixes to get you back on track. The first step, start a new story and tap the sticker icon. The music sticker looks like a musical note. Tap it to begin. If the music search isn't working, let's dive in. Update your app. Outdated versions often have bugs. Check your app store for updates. Next, check your internet connection. A weak connection will prevent the music from loading. Switch to cellular data or move closer to your router. Now, clear your app's cache. Too much stored data does strange things to apps. Close Instagram and in settings, find and offload, or clear the cache of the Instagram app and reinstall. Lastly, music licensing and regional restrictions can affect availability. Servers go down. It happens. This might be beyond your control. Keep an eye on Instagram's official channels for updates. By updating the app, ensuring a strong internet connection, and clearing your cache, you'll solve most issues. Happy storytelling. Like and subscribe for more tips.